to Mayor Kapil. Mayor, earlier sabi niyo po, while being asked by Congressman Goma, sobrang dami ng mayor, ng trabaho ng mayor. And the reason why you are engaging technical assistants, department heads, para matulungan kayo. Di po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yun po yung sagot nyo when you are being asked by the Honorable Gomez kung bakit hindi nyo na-monitor yung revenue na 3 billion per year. Are you aware, Mayor Kapil, of the principle of command responsibility?
Yes, Your Honor.
Maaari nyo po ba kaming i-enlighten what is your understanding about command responsibility?
Dun sa section 444 po, General Supervision and Control. Ang ibig po sabihin, may general supervision ako as mayor. The department head naman, technical supervision po sila. Sila talaga ang nakakaalam po kung yung trabaho nila, halimbawa kung sa assessment, sila po talaga ang may alam ng assessment. Sa engineering, kaya nag-hire po tayo ng mga engineers kasi sila po talaga ang may alam naman sa engineering, Your Honor.
And in addition to that, Mayor, you have to understand that for the acts and omissions committed by your subordinates, that includes your department heads, you are responsible for being their superior. Kung ito po'y one time lang, kung ito po'y 3 months lang, kung ito po'y 1 taon lang, baka nga po, sa dami ng trabaho ng mayor, hindi nyo na na-monitor. But according to PAGCOR, we're talking about 3 billion times 3 years. What happened to your BPLO? You have the power to inspect. Why did you not even ask for the income tax return of the corporation as well as the director sitting therein? Pagkalaki po nung gusali na iyon, it did not even raise any doubt. How come naka-zero gross revenue ito?
Your Honor, actually nung naupo po ako, talagang yung bayan namin parang walang sistema. That's why nagkaroon po kami ng reorganization. We're putting, nasa process po kami ng reorganization. We're putting right people at the right job.
Mayor, I remember you manifested that you started assuming in 2019. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the Lucky South started operating as POGO in 2021. Meaning 2021. 2020. You mean to say, Mayor, from 2019 to 2020, hindi mo pa naayos yung payment system? And are you not prompted by the ideas of how to increase the revenue of your LGU? Kasi if you are, you will become very, very conscious of the business establishments operating in your municipality. Especially kung may napakalaking building, itong establishment na ito, it should have raised doubt or even curiosity. Sino ba ito? Ano bang meron dito? Kanina sabi niyo po, malaki ang building, pero walang right of way, naka-zero income. Parang it's quite hard to understand, Mayor, kung bakit hindi mo na-unfold, hindi mo na-discover, unless it was done intentionally. Itong 3 billion na revenue times 3 years, Mayor.
With due respect, Your Honor, in good faith po, well,
I just want to give emphasis to the principle of command responsibility, Mayor, na hindi po pagka ganito na may investigasyon na, you will just be pointing to your department heads. At sasabihin nyo, hindi nyo alam yon. May department head kayo, may BPLO kayo, may municipal engineer kayo. Please be reminded that you are responsible for the actions of your subordinates. If they are guilty of acts or omissions, you are answerable for their acts and omissions. That is command responsibility, Mayor. So please stop pointing at them. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr.
Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Bosita, you are...
Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
please state your name and your position.
Mr. Chair, clarification lang po from the municipality at
Yes,
the African
go ahead, please.
Municipal Administrator. Basahin ko lang po, Mr. Chair, yung nire-refer po namin na provision po in Republic Act 11590 po.
Sige, go ahead.
Yung pong gross gaming tax po, equivalent to 5%, which pertains to POGO entities, Mr. Chair. Ito pong gaming tax po is imposed on POGO establishments. It is in lieu of all other direct and indirect internal revenue taxes and local taxes po with respect to gaming income. So yung POGO po, ang income po na nade-derive po niya is coming from its gaming operations. So kaya po we are not able to levy local taxes on the POGO. Yun po yung basis namin when Lucky South was began its operation as a POGO, Mr. Chair. Clarification lang po. Salamat.
So what we're discussing about is the revenue that is derived from the POGO operation is basically on the taxes.
Opo.
Not the GRR, yung sa gross ng nakukuha nila sa operation.
Mr. Chair, our submission is that since it is a
They're
POGO...
claiming exemption on that.
Opo. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
That's our position.
That is your claim in accordance to what you have read.
Mr. Chair, yes po, that's correct.
Okay.
Thank you
And
po.
copy.
Nevertheless, Mr. Chair.
Yes, lastly, Congresswoman Luistro, you're beyond the time that
Yes,
is
I
being
know.
allotted to you. Go ahead.
Mr. Chair, I just want to state for the record na although the same is still subject to verification by the committee, the provision that you should shared a while ago, mali pa rin po eh. Kasi nag-declare sila ng zero. Dapat dineclare nila yung totoong revenue as declared with PAGCOR. And then they claim the exemption. That is, if we will be following the exemption as provided in the provision that you shared.
Okay,
Chair,
Thank you.
clarification lang.
okay,
One question
Congressman Lara, then Congressman Bosita. Okay, go.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Kay Mayor Kapil lang, nabanggit nyo kanina na walang road right of way. Tanong ko lang, sinong gumawa ng actual na kalsada papunta doon?
Yung ibig ko po sabihin, yung the whole area, the 100 hectares, wala pong road right of way going to Porac. Ang right of way niya, Angeles. Hindi naman po yung Pogo. Yung Pogo, yung area po doon, Pogo site, ang entry-exit niya po is Angeles po talaga, Your Honor.
So, ang gumawa din ng kalsada papunta doon is Angeles. May access sila sa kalsada ng Angeles.
May access po sila sa kalsada ng Angeles, Your Honor.
Public road ang access nila.
Yes, Your Honor, public road going to Angeles po.
So, alam na alam talaga ng lahat na sa Angeles na may kalsada papunta doon sa Pogo.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Yun lang po talaga ang access road going there. Kaya nga po kung pupunta, sana po kung mapasyalan no natin kung pupunta kayo sa...
Maintained yun, yung kalsadang yun, maintained. Ibig sabihin, maayos yung kalsada papunta doon.
Maayos naman po, Your Honor.
Yeah. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
I want
Thank
to
you.
interject, Mr.
Congressman,
Chair.
Deputy Speaker, Senior Deputy Speaker Don Gonzales, you are recognized.
Mayor, ang tanong ni Congressman Jojo, kung yung access road going to the area of 10 hectares, how many kilometers is that from the provincial highway or national highway? Yun ang tanong niya, kasi hindi ka naman makakapasok doon. Ang tanong niya, sinong nagpagawa doon sa papuntang Porac? Alam ko kasi yan kasi tika Pampanga tayo pareho, di ba?
Good afternoon po. Actually po, yung nagpagawa ng right of way going to the area po ng Grand Palazzo is yung owner po,
What's your name and your designation, please?
Engineer Glenn Lanzano.
So you're
po.
the municipal engineer?
Yes, po.
Okay.
So, ilan ang haba nun, ilan ang lapad nun, nung kalsadang ginawa nyo na galing dun sa, kay Tatang Perto ba yan?
Yes po.
So, from Tatang Perto's place to the back, ilang kilometro po yan? Ilang haba?
Doon po sa... Actually po, yung una po, yung nagpagawa ng daan po is yung owner po nung connecting to Friendship Highway po.
Okay, Friendship, alam ko na yung Friendship.
Opo.
From Friendship to the area of the 10 hectares Pogo, how many kilometers is that?
Check ko lang po, Your Honor. More or less 2.5 kilometers po.
2.5 kilometers pinagawa ng owner.
Yes po.
Magkano, ikaw engineer ka, magkano yung 2.5 kilometers kung ilang video, at saka engineer din si Congressman Lara?
Actually po, yung kasing entrance sila two-way, Your Honor. Tapos,
So ilang width yung two-way? 10 meters?
mga 8 meters po yung isang lane.
Plus
Dun sa-
1, 10 meters
isang lane
shoulder.
po, dun sa entrada po. Pero yung kasunod po nun, going to the boundary po ng Porac is magkasama na po yung lane, mga almost 10 meters po.
Kaya nga 10 meters
Opo.
yung width.
Opo.
Ngayon, 10 meters yung width, times mo ng 2,500, ilang cubic meters yun? Kaya 2.5 times mo ng 1,000, that is 2,500. Pare, tama. Times mo ng 10,
Opo.
ha? Almost 50 million yung worth ng kalsada. Ngayon, ang question dito, ang nagpagawa ba nun yung landowner o yung gobyerno?
As par po sa akin po, yung owner po yung nagpagawa po.
Anong pangalan talaga ng owner nito lupa?
Doon po sa mga application namin po ng building permit is yung Cruz siblings po.
Cruz siblings si Tatang Perto. Kilala mo si Tatang Perto?
Opo, mga anak niya po yung
So, si Roberto Cruz.
Opo.
So, kung Roberto Cruz and family.
Yes
so,
po.
they own the property.
Yes po.
So sigurado ka nagpagawa nun, ano ha? Sila Cruz. Sila Cruz.
Actually po, for clarification lang po, Your Honor, kamukha po ng nasabi ko, yung entrada po kasi, nasa gitna yung boundary ng Porac po. Dun sa Angeles po. From Friendship, entry po ng guardhouse nila sa gitna, yun pa lang po yung Porac site, Your Honor. So, ito pong site ng unang entrada natin from Friendship Highway is Angeles side po yun.
Engineer from Friendship. Ito.
Opo.
Pero tayong tiga Pampanga. Clark yan, di ba?
Opo.
Unang bayan ng Porac from Angeles.
Santa Cruz po.
Santa Cruz. Pagkatapos sa Santa Cruz.
Manibaog.
Manibaog.
Po.
Saan located yung 10 hectares?
Sa address po nila is adjacent po ng Santa Cruz, Pulong
So,
Maba. Your
anong
Honor.
barangay yung sa 10 hectares na Pogo na yan?
Actually po, wala po silang declaration ng barangay.
Hindi
Pero
pwede mo lang declaration
Opo.
ng barangay.
Pulong Maba po yung address nila dun sa title, Your Honor. Kaya
Hindi
po,
pwede, boss. Kasi hindi pwedeng walang description po yung titulo kung saan located. Kung sa Santa Cruz po yan o Manibaog.
Your Honor, for clarification din po, as per record din po, yung Pulong Maba po kasi nung una is dissolved barangay. And then, kahit tignan nyo po sa record ng province, yung mga income po nila is wala pong nagkiklaim sa province since wala pong nagkiklaim talagang barangay, Your Honor, dun sa Pulong Maba area po, specifically po.
Sabi nga ng mga lawyers, documents are best evidence. So kung pwede po, bigyan nyo kami ng dokumento kasi kung
Yes po, Your Honor.
sasagutan, pwedeng bugyan mo na lang kami ng dokumento.
Yes po,
para
Your Honor.
makita po natin.